no pay interesting story be free achuma kwa ngoma ba me no be kan wasem but me and lawyer Hans Kodua or a private legal practitioner oko KNUST law faculty hona or ochra de na ye omoayen de course nra ewo the high courts omoayen na yentene ma se kakra no fi yenhwe ne lawyers say omo be come file for appeal yes na yehwe said no so lawyer but bibia boko de anopayin
na ba to nyanya darama bibia boko but mo so e
yankopon adom ye ho ye na no pay ewo ha na Enra chairman the Republic versus Chairman Bernard Ntwibosi Akon Kwame Ntwi and the Akon Mining Company Limited. Enra judgment by. But when you I go through the judgment.
Oh, me go through extensively, but at least I'm aware of the points in the judgment.
And Edia na betimi ne ache with regards to judgment eba enra any reaction party so any lawyers and so adia ban so dia na betimi ka kire
if I told me that near I'm a for so edikan for enra se ne kana emra emra na illegal mining act and its amendment are a regulatory sanity in mining practices. What it provides, and let's limit ourselves to this particular issue. Say if you are engaged in illegal mining, na say emrano ediwa, ye try na judge ni kasi wudi fa na me say emrani diwa. Emrano say judge no. Any who quite, and let me emphasize, only who quite so punish you less than 15 years. The judge has no right to punish you less than 15 years. Was sentenced not starting from 15 years to 25 years. Judge any man 20 and what the 5 for channel. So you can't pano dia talking about the sentencing component of the judgment, Judge and committee any error of law. The judge acted within the parameters and what our mremu say ye try will be our illegal mining activities no differ between 15 years and 25 years. If you could be an ultimate amount, that period a discretionary judge a pay and obey Timaka say you do 250 years. But then, whether it will go even to 20 or 25, for example, the gravity or the severity of the offense. And if you look at the policy of the law, the policy of the law it provided stiffer sanctions people who might engage in illegal mining. And we all know the law is designed in such a way that it will provide a structure be a bit detail the public say omunko yes ani mani bi nti obi ehuna me kwa illegal mining ye ma 25 years 20 ene me nye nti e deterrent component effect it the judge ni any there me talk about the trial now sentence ni the judge did the right thing by imposing punishment from 15 years to 25 years. Within that period, the judgment on that, is perfect.
Okay, so now, before the judgment, there was an application. I don't pay your court correspondent didn't come on. Now application was that the lawyer any available, and think judge or journey date for the judgment na oye no nra no application court no eboguye. I mean a bit education kakra about that situation by na in this case sebia we lawyer de ma obi need na court na osu wuni ho nti no nka court entwentwen so na nka ontun hyeda. I mean bajo make legal sense ana.
Pacho, the answer is very simple. One, court management rules. Court who say no. The manager is the judge, not any lawyer, but is the judge. The judge does everything in the courtroom in terms of managing everything. And Supreme Court even has said, no lawyer even has control over adjournments. No lawyer has control over any adjournments. If we a lawyer, na say we case ibaso, for judgment. Na say utu say oh ma. Na judge into sheda. One, judge ni opa obetime to asheda. Opa untu sheda. Now in this particular case, for example, if you call a lawyer no kra no, what the medical form you kra ba say o yare. Enti wuntimi ma. The question is, are you the only one in the law firm? Even there, the judge can go on and deliver the judgment. In America, they say, yeah, lawyers, no, you say, you won't need they will case Baswa. Now, per judgment. Depending upon baby a case, no, if you are young, I'll bet my truck or so, and that's a beer and your critical judgment, my judgment. But the fact of the matter is, in your compulsory, and your compulsory say, lawyer the letter be court see na adjournment na court na dia tum and compulsory judge ne pa and waji tum opa obebo agu because he or she controls the court processes and they are not dictated by lawyers. If anything at all, lawyer na it no an court no and kura sparks of something else. It my brother in simple terms no say what the letter court say what smart court to say that judge ne eka. That is the emphasis. Judge in pa enu tu sheda. Oba obekoso. No law is breached where you request a judge into sheda. Judge in bekoso because you are not happy about it. No, you don't control the court as a lawyer. It is the judge who controls the court. It is a lawyer that request continue to sheda. Na judge in tu sheda. The judge never committed any error of procedure when she passed the judgment. That is what I want to say on that too.
Now let's look at this. The lawyer say omo be call for appeal. In say mra ma ho kwan so betimi appeal the judgment.
Yeah.
But for yentiase any education tin am person me this question say.
Yes.
BSc we a private legal practitioner. Window bay na e wo hodema Chairman Bernard Chubusiakon, in this case, the lawyers person mujina sona omode a file appeal.
But that's it. Well, let me say, excuse me to say, and with all respect, in your case, biana, ya Russia appeal. In criminal matters, for example, ubetima ya appeal. Even when facts ni evidence ni say you are down, zero down. Wait my appeal. I don't know, maybe you are asking for mitigation of sentence that 20 years no also in Timothy Sumame. But look at the law. No judge in this country can reduce the sentence to 15 or less. It's either from 15 going or 15 up to that point. It is a mobile appeal one. Either say you are saying say judgment need too harsh. It is court no, appellate court no, and I say appeal court no, and tesomao. The court no better so ma krana. Ultimately so Emma less than 15 years. It is that is maybe it be a 5 years and the but then say grounds to be up or the appeal no, and that is where the problem is. In that particular case no, what appeal no should show say trial judge no. One, trial judge no would be assembly high court no. The trial judge committed such fundamental errors of law judgment no questionable. And then in that particular case no, you as a lawyer no, you have to establish what in your opinion from legal perspective and they constitute that substantial commission of that error. If it doesn't exist, you can't go there. 2, you must also show, say, based upon the judge's assessment, the judge's evaluation of the evidence, if the judge had considered A, B, C, D, E on your side, the judgment would have been otherwise. If you cannot point out any error a judge in a committee, and now if you cannot point out, say, the judge's evaluation or assessment of your evidence, was not thorough, was not meticulous, and you're going to appeal, it will not yield any fruit. The lawyers must sit down and ask. You must ask themselves, did the judge commit any error of law on the face of the judgment? 2, did the judge consider the evidence in its entirety? Were all pieces of evidence considered? If the answer is yes, going to appeal will not yield any results positively.
Okay.
If the answers to it are no, then you can rely on them. But if you look at the evidence that was put before the court, then to say the judge committed errors of law, and now the judge didn't assess or evaluate the evidence thoroughly, it's a huge battle for the lawyers to contest and to contend with.
So, Omo argue say, and in this same position now, party as in the NPP, and so Ejina say the state and to me and produce evidence. Be said this is what we have. See a produce against the accused. And now Omo who say, I mean all the facts are they see I know judge no gina so a sentence Chairman Bernard Jubusi akoye die witness ede mae. This is the position with your lawyers ni bi omoka. The same position now so na the New Patriotic Party so ejina. I mean also so be free ni saying.
Well, say case back court work. Nia witnesses no beka. Witnesses no beka no. The witnesses no beka no. Omo de complement the party's testimonies. Ebia Kofi and I accused person wakasa a one person. You hear evidence from Kofi's side to support his case. You hear evidence from the state side also to contradict Kofi's case. In most cases, near witnesses no bekano, and no any ginaso. Eddie compare and near my judgment. Look at the letter petition. I see you look at Yakasai. No, a witness, star witness for NDC. Star evidence now. I see look at Yakasai. Evidence now the Gina NDC. Eddie move for at that time. Because evidence now look at man who admit certain things against NDC. And so the judgment had to go against them. Witnesses of the Bebano won't be testify. That's the evidence now. But testify, you're afraid to be credibility. The court not finding out to say the witnesses were credible in their testimonies. The court to take it because if we are way, we'll be 18 to say about Friday. Me pay me about the room. So we didn't trust. So we didn't. What kind of correct? We be near court to the judge cases. And now let me say this to the public. Near court to the judge cases. Excuse me to say, and you know, walker. And you know, because sometimes we miss our kind of crowd and we didn't throw evidence. And then a public name, evidence, and the children say, court no, and fact we are now on fire. It is all court no any evidence. And Kokati, my lord, no crap, make no crap, and when you all kind of anonymous to throw evidence. It is evidence, no, come from witnesses. In your witnesses, and a best sweet court no. Left or right. That's the way I want to address that one. Evidential, testimonial evidence. Testimonial evidence, based upon the witnesses' testimonies, and the court will assess the credibility of all and come to a conclusion.
Now,
so that's it.
Yes, and we share the sentencing in this case documented there. Or say having listened to the counsel for first and third accused, plea in mitigation, the first and the third accused person are sentenced as follows. So the argument that a hash, Utia was taking into account the fact that the first and the third accused persons are first-time offenders. In this case, the argument division say or a first-time offender. Say first-time offender nanka. You bet man the minimum no. Other na ye command that 20 years close to the maximum.
Senior, wadaroma senior okano. Lawyer na can say or a first offender. It's part of the law. Say where the 1 year bonida, this is the first time, fine. But you are only and your law actually judge be as a chinchiniano. 7 years as so more minimum. It doesn't work. When you're first offender, it is true. But if we are talking about the law, no, it doesn't mean say when you are the first offender, you should be given the minimum sentence. There's no law like that.
Okay.
There's no law like that. If the judge had from 15 to 25, now you're first offender, go bet about 25. But what is about 20? The judge commits no error on that. If nobody can go to court of appeal and make an argument say because you're first offender, you should be given the minimum. I've not seen any law like that before.
Mm-hmm.
Not even once.
Mm-hmm.
And discretionary. It's just like deferment. The keka hono. Now the penalties were minimum age or minimum sentence or judge cannot come less. This one is 15. If you say you was first offender, fine. I hear so kurano. The assuming say yenuya Wontumi before I make manusi from so the kwa court. Na say as triswa say wadi binkura that ye triswa manua. E better so na be 15. Court of appeal cannot reduce it below 15. This a be lawyers no are able to argue say the sentence no was wrong and you nanka ni nyina no ebe collapse judgment na be collapse
ni nyina be shiegu
if we are going to say or a first offender no doesn't imply in law say he must always be given the minimum sentence. It rests with the judge based upon the severity of the case. That is how the law is.
And said okay, is it also possible say any you bet ma call court of appeal na ya transfer you bet ma ka say the judge no the man or the high court no kra no e wo fam nti ene 5 no e da chire no ye mfa nka ho. Can it happen that way?
Yes, I don't know. Yeah, na public no said the name. When you do an appeal, my bida I checked over 26 years ago. The particular Korea they was sorry them. And I court no man 10 years. And they appeal. And we appeal. Ya je hwe edin sa no se na wo nyankopon asore dem nyama no Korea. 10 years the man no. Ya je sa de 7 years ka ho. Sentence no de man no nsa. Odi bia ka ho. In fact yanu moto kakra. Ache na mdi sua nyansa. We are man 20 years no. Wo betima ya appeal. Court of appeal, a bit match is 15. Court of appeal, a bit me the 5 account 125. And then on sanity, we appeal you have opened yourself. So the judgment can be reduced to 15 if you are asking the court say or mitigated sentence. A bit match is 15. And now say from 20, Court of appeal is me 5 account, I'm now 25. I don't know the law, no.
Council, with a quick one.
Yes, sir.
Say a Kobasa power SSR, at what point can we associate that with the judgment? Making it look like, say, Ochina, na say MPP ba power, a bit me you sue the same Embrana near the reducing the sentence, let alone even take him out of jail. Is it possible that way?
Say, power change here, the judgment stands. Unless the president remember pardon power, the president can grant him pardon power. Say the president had the power. Even now, you would Mahama a sentence no in consultation with the Council of State, no, he has the power to do that. He has the power to do that. But
is it going to be Council Wadarumo entirely and also a certain period of time and some of their channel? Because some people are also arguing with the fact that even though I had the same case, in the case of Agra that day, more sentence reduced here to this time. No, you say wait there no there. Between 15 to 25 years. Is it going to serve a certain period of time? And Sana President are pardon and I said even from day one, President Bitmiakaso in consultation with the Council of State, Bitmiakaso their channel.
You know what? Some lambs here Naso.
Okay.
If you ubet ma committee meda, President Bitmiakaso and a prerogative power in the Constitution. Some lambs here Naso ucha 10 years. Who said do baby President to me at the Bibi Babon say, one more prison or more trusting or more trusting in ano, more fan chair woman. We do that sometimes. But apart from that, no, the president again has powers under the Constitution to say, this particular person has committed this particular offense for ABC reasons. May president may the channel. Only the president can do that. Not even Supreme Court can do that. Supreme Court almost pass some judgment in the they cannot come back. But after Supreme Court judgment, for example, an Akoma judgment, for example, president has the power over your life. It doesn't matter whether you have served 1, 2, 3, 4 years or 1 or 2, 3 days. The president can do that at any time. No, nothing stops him. It's a highly constitutional power the president exercises in such situations.
So that
it is a MPP for bar. Now more person or more the channel. President Muni bit my exercising that prerogative power. Say yeah channel.
Councillor Badesana enyen saboni be a bit tried there 200 because the ordinary person will go to prison and serve all the prison terms. But political figure no cause a huge mess like to say near Yeka Wahano Museno. Now President Efaso at the channel because of the political affiliation. And yes, Saboni be a tried 200 and are we not making the law excuse my language less in a certain way as a favor binum and favor binum.
87.9 you are right to say that if it happens that way not a beer your first power change now president bano okuyi wenu ku afimu that will be the public construction of justice in the country. Sometimes for these political things where does any public tears you want your president can obey in the interest of the party. It is a semi on more they are a bit careful.
Okay.
But sometimes they may want to do it for some reasons.
Okay.
We are they will forget about it.
Council finally no Osha case no your president be announced related to this case of mining related and a case like this no. Do we have a precedent beer and now way never better subsequently you make reference to and they are dealing with maybe to say yeah,
at least Weno appears to be a bit recent. Other ones never no who say China for being other people be for illegal fan. How many Chinese people know of the prison? That's my accommodation from the prison. I don't want to go into it, But then you say a district court, circuit court, 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, those kind of things. And this is the one it look like a benchmark. I'm gonna acquire something huge. More so, politician is involved. More so, illegal money is involved. So this one is going to send a lot of signals to be in illegal mining, wars, the sea. You see, people when they are involved in it, but when you see ordinary people, they teach some related offenses, but this one very serious. And so this one is the most recent case, a bit guiding, especially the circuit courts and the lower courts, where someone is charged with such offense. Offense will have high court for trial.
Okay.
So this one, the one that I think is
we know serve the lower courts.
Yes,
as
it will guide them.
Maybe a guide, yes, as a guide.
Yes, it will.
Okay.
Yeah, it will guide them.
Can't say that's it.
Yeah, you know, yeah, two years for any money.
Yes. Can't say that's it.
That's why.
A friend of lawyer Hans Kodia, and no so the
I sincerely love the sincerity in his voice and in his submission because.